Hey, this is Marco, and I'm going to show you how to check if a website is safe or not. You do this with Chrome, Safari, whatever browser you are using. You basically want to go to Safari. Let's just open up any website. You can see it has this log button, which means the site is safe. And you also want to look for HTTPS. If it doesn't have the S, then it's not secured, and in general you don't want to open only HTTP websites. But if you click on the top left on the AA, you can go to website settings, and then you can always request desktop page type, usually automatically, content blockers, and these others allows. But if you were to go to Chrome, as you can see, it doesn't have the lock, but if I click on top, it has HTTPS. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.